If you're a pizza enthusiast looking to elevate your home-cooked pizzas to restaurant-quality perfection, the Pellethead wood-fired pizza oven attachment could be the game-changer you've been searching for. Designed to transform most full-sized pellet grills into a high-temperature, wood-fired pizza oven, this attachment promises authentic wood-burning pizza experiences right in your backyard. This review will delve into the features, performance, and overall value of the Pellethead pizza oven attachment, helping you determine if it's the right addition to your outdoor cooking arsenal. The Pellethead pizza oven attachment is built with both durability and functionality in mind. Its robust construction features high-quality stainless steel, ensuring it can withstand the high temperatures required for perfect pizza baking. The attachment's design is both sleek and practical, with a compact form factor that doesn't take up excessive space on your pellet grill. One of the standout features of this attachment is its compatibility with a wide range of pellet grill brands, including GMG, Traeger, Pit Boss, and Camp Chef. This versatility makes it an attractive option for anyone who already owns a pellet grill and is looking to expand their cooking capabilities without investing in a standalone pizza oven. Setting up the Pellethead pizza oven attachment is straightforward and user-friendly. The attachment comes with adjustable rods, allowing for easy installation on any full-size pellet grill with a center burn pot. The instructions provided are clear and concise, making the installation process quick and hassle-free. Within minutes, you can have the attachment securely mounted on your grill and ready to use. The true test of any pizza oven is its ability to produce delicious, restaurant-quality pizzas, and the Pellethead pizza oven attachment excels in this regard. By funneling heat directly from the grill, the attachment can reach temperatures of up to 800 F, which is ideal for baking pizzas. This high heat allows you to cook a pizza in just 2 to 4 minutes, ensuring a perfect balance of a crispy exterior and a soft, chewy interior. The innovative design of the pizza oven chamber ensures enhanced heat distribution. It uses a combination of convective, conductive, and radiant heat to cook the pizzas evenly. During my testing, I found that the pizzas cooked uniformly, with beautifully browned crusts and perfectly melted toppings. The stone baking surface included with the attachment helps in achieving that desirable crispiness in the crust while preventing the dough from sticking. While the Pellethead pizza oven attachment is primarily designed for making pizzas, its versatility extends to other culinary creations as well. You can use it to bake bread, roast vegetables, or even cook meats. This makes it a valuable addition to your pellet grill, allowing you to experiment with a variety of recipes and cooking techniques. The attachment's portability is another significant advantage. Its lightweight design means you can easily take it with you for outdoor gatherings, picnics, or camping trips. Transforming any outdoor space into a gourmet pizza haven is now possible, making it a great option for those who love entertaining or cooking on the go. Using the Pellethead pizza oven attachment is remarkably simple. Once installed, you just need to preheat your pellet grill and the attachment to the desired temperature. The built-in thermometer helps you monitor the temperature, ensuring you achieve the optimal heat for cooking pizzas. The attachment's design allows for easy insertion and removal of pizzas, minimizing the risk of burns or accidents. Cleaning the Pellethead pizza oven attachment is a breeze, thanks to its stainless steel construction. The stone baking surface can be easily cleaned by scraping off any residual dough or toppings after each use. The stainless steel components can be wiped down with a damp cloth, and any stubborn grease or food particles can be removed with a gentle scrub. Regular maintenance will keep the attachment in excellent condition and ensure its longevity. Pros and cons. Pros. High-quality construction. A durable stainless steel build ensures longevity and high performance. Easy installation. Adjustable rods and clear instructions make setup quick and simple. Exceptional cooking performance achieves high temperatures for perfect pizzas in minutes. Versatile use, suitable for baking, roasting, and cooking various dishes. Portable, lightweight and easy to transport for outdoor events. Wide compatibility, Fits most full-sized pellet grills, including popular brands like GMG, Traeger, Pit Boss, and Camp Chef. Cons: limited to pellet grills, requires a pellet grill to function, which may not be suitable for those who don't already own one. Learning curve: achieving the perfect pizza might require some trial and error with temperature settings and cooking times. Final thoughts: the Pellethead wood-fired pizza oven attachment is an impressive addition to any pellet grill, offering a simple and effective way to bake restaurant-quality pizzas at home. Its durable construction, ease of use, and versatility make it a valuable tool for both seasoned chefs and aspiring home cooks. The attachment's ability to reach high temperatures and cook pizzas quickly is particularly noteworthy, ensuring you can enjoy delicious, authentic wood-fired pizzas with minimal effort. While it does require a pellet grill to function, the wide compatibility with popular brands makes it a practical choice for many outdoor cooking enthusiasts. The Pellethead pizza oven attachment not only enhances your pizza-making capabilities, but also expands your culinary possibilities, making it a worthwhile investment for anyone looking to elevate their outdoor cooking game. Whether you're hosting a backyard pizza party or enjoying a quiet night with family, this attachment will undoubtedly impress with its performance and convenience. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.